Ooh, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So today we are going to be doing our options recap as we always do. We're going to be breaking down the picks. We're going to be getting ready for tomorrow. We're going to be having a great time. All right. So first and foremost, let's get to the Twitter and let's get our friends out here. Make sure that everybody is tuned in tonight. So we're going to say live now. Come for cake. So let's see how well cake works to entice some of our friends to be here tonight. So here we go, guys. So as you guys can see on the screen, I'm really trying to push this giveaway sign up. I want to make sure that you guys are all signed up. So here's the giveaway right here. I'm going to walk you guys through it. So I'm going to be giving away about more than $10,000 worth in prizes. So when you sign up, guys, you have a chance to win one of 10 copies of my new book, lifetime membership to my private Discord and Twitter, cash prizes. All you have to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the Telegram, and follow my other 2 Twitter channels, okay? So this is all for your own good, guys. YouTube has free content, the Telegram has a newsletter, and my other channels basically have specific picks, all right? So go ahead. All you got to do here, guys, put your email in there and your name, and then you're submitted. That's it, okay? If you're looking for the link, I have it in my pinned tweet right now, guys. So as you guys know, the book is going to be released on Sunday. I'm working on it as we speak. And this is going to be one of the best books you've ever read about trading, because it's going to be 7 years of my experience written down, my back testing, thousands and thousands of hours of back testing, guys. I've been able to condense it into a nice readable format with 50 plus charts for your learning, guys. So I'm really, really excited. People have been asking me about this all year, and I just decided to get it done for my birthday weekend. So my birthday is on Saturday, and I just said, hey, you know what? I want to enjoy my birthday. I want to have a good time, and I want you guys to have a good time with me, and I'm going to get the book done, and we're going to be good to go. All right? So stay tuned for Sunday. I hope you guys are excited. Make sure you sign up for the giveaway. As we get bigger and bigger, we're just going to keep giving away more and more, because that's what it's all about, giving back to the community, because I appreciate each and every one of you guys for supporting me along the journey. All right. So let's get this party started, and let's step into the picks. So the picks yesterday we had were Uber, Oracle, Nike, and McDonald's. And I'm going to be breaking down those picks with you guys and how we could have traded them, how we could have made money, etc. So the first one we're going to start off with, guys, is Nike right off the bat. Oops. Well, that was a loud one. Actually, let's start from the top. Uber. Okay. So Uber, I'm on the daily chart, and I'm going to hit the market replay like this. And we're going to discuss why Uber was a very interesting pattern for me today, why I wanted to play Uber. All right. So as you guys know, I have the Trading Wars golden indicators. Okay. Look, if you guys don't have my indicators, all you got to do is here, come into the Discord, free indicators and more. This is my free section, all the free things that I give away. Here are my golden indicators. Throw it on your chart, okay? It's going to help you a lot when identifying patterns. So what we had here, guys, was we had an inside bar, outside bar, and then a double inside bar. So we basically had 1, 2, 3, 4 days of consolidation, option premiums getting hit, decaying, and going sideways. So whenever we have that type of setup, guys, I am looking for an opportunity to come in the next day and make some money, because after all of this consolidation, after all of this chop, the option premiums are going to be decayed. And that's a great opportunity for us to enter the market and look for opportunities. Boom. We got the $4.99 donation right off the bat. Eric right here with thanks, legend. Thank you, brother, for being here. Appreciate that very, very much. All right. So do you guys, let me take the banner down here. So do you guys understand, why we look for these setups before we come to the day trade? This is a concept that I'm writing about in my book, guys. It's called the preconditions. Okay. So the preconditions to a trade. What does that mean? The precondition means this. We need to have a reason to enter the trade. Okay. We need a reason to enter the trade. And what I like to call it is a precondition. So I want to see overall consolidation, overall chop, overall traps on the daily chart before I even go down to trade it on a lower time frame. Okay. So hit me with a 1 if you guys understand that concept. We call that the preconditions or the prerequisites to a trade. Boom. Chutron, my brother right here, the 886. Nike money, bro. I'm guessing you made some good money on Nike today, so I appreciate you very much. Boom. So got the ones coming in. All right, great. So there we go. So now we're going to go down to the 5-minute chart on Uber, and we're going to start the party. So my lines disappeared again. I don't know why that always happens, but my trigger lines disappear for some reason. So let's draw the trigger lines again. So let's go ahead and let's do the trigger lines 40.82 and 39.87. So we're going to hit this 40.82 right here, and then 39.87. Okay, boom, boom, 39.87. So I wanted to talk a little bit. So, you know, the title of the video is about trading options and downtrends. So we're going to be speaking about that also, guys. So here we go. So let's go ahead, hit the market replay. First bar comes in, boom. So we have a beautiful bar right here near the lows. So what is the first play that we can take off of this first 5-minute bar, guys? Help me out today. Help me out today. For the new traders in here, let's help them out. What are the trading more strategies here? What can we do off of this first 5-minute bar? What do you guys think? Okay, so there's the first 5-minute bar. Let's also take a look at the first 3-minute bar. So the first 3-minute bar was that one as also. So the first 5, the first 3. So what can we do here, guys? Orb. Yes, opening range breakout right off the bat. So here we go. So what we can say here with the opening range breakout, if we break the low of this bar, we're going to short. If we break the high, we're going to go long. Next bar comes in. We're triggered into the short. Okay, there you go. There's your money. Beautiful. Okay, so literally 10 minutes, walk away with probably between 20 to 30 or 40% on this move right here. Very clean. So if you missed the opening range breakout, then the next valid play was the trigger. You see the yellow line is the trigger. So then you would have entered the short on the trigger. And then here we go, guys. Another clean push down. So pretty much right here, guys, we have the orb, we had the trigger, good moves down, good 20 to 30% easily right there. And then now we have something called the retest. Okay, so this is very important now. So this is why I use the Fibonacci. This is why I love the Fibonacci. So this is the morning leg, a concept from my book, okay, on fibs. So this is the book that I have on my website right now, teaches you about trading fibs. So what is one thing that I like doing? I like drawing the morning leg. After that first push down, I want to take that first pullback. You could see right here, we came right up to the 50. There's a wick on the 618 here, and then we just stopped, right? And this Fibonacci is very powerful, guys, because guess what? It lines up with the previous day's low. So now we have two confluences. We have a Fibonacci pullback and a retest of the previous day's low, and we have an inside bar. So we actually have 3 confluences on this level here, guys, and then boom, boom, boom. There we go. Beautiful. All right. So, and what do I say? What do I say every day? How many legs do we need to be with? How many legs should we be looking for in the market before we can expect a reversal? What do you guys think? How many legs? So for you guys that tune in all the time, for you guys that are putting in the work, studying, how many legs can we see in a one direction before we see a reversal? So I see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 exactly. So this is why I love the fibs. This is why I wrote a book about the fibs, because it's very important. Don't underestimate the fibs. So here we go. So we're going to take the arrow. Okay, this is leg 1. We pull back to the 618 right here, and then the second leg, boom. And notice this, guys. Okay, so a lot of people talk about fibs, but I have custom fibs. Okay, the fibs that I created. So here we go, the 10% extension and the 0.169. These are ones that I've created, guys, that are very important to me, because when I back test them, I notice they have positive results over time. So here we go. So we take that look at this. We come down, we tag the 0.169, and as soon as we get there, this is why I always say cover at 2 legs, because then we have the shorts on the orb, on the inside bar, on the trigger. All of us are covering on the second leg, right? That's generally what you see in the market. 2 legs cover, and the second leg actually completes the Fibonacci extension. So you know the algorithms are going to be dumping their positions on those extensions, guys. Very, very clean move. And then here we go. Check this out now. Check this out, okay? Bam. Look at that. Beautiful. See? Okay. So you see that, guys? Boom. Right there. We gone. That's the power of Fibonacci. Once all those algos are scaling out on those fibs, if they've dumped enough positions and the bull algo steps in here, guys, we can get this move. Look at this move. Absolutely crazy. Okay. Beautiful. So let's just go into the Discord and make sure that that inside bar alert came out. And make sure that was good to go. Good to go. Where are we? Swing daily option pick alerts. So here we go. So right here at 9:50 Uber inside bar. Okay. So for those of you who who want to get the alerts and stuff, got them in the Discord for you guys. I got you guys covered. Boom. Hey, $10 from my brother Greg Bauer. Best day trading using your help. Thanks, brother. Thank you for being here, brother. Appreciate that. So there we go, guys. I mean, it does not get cleaner than that, guys. This is not a mystery. It's not a mystery. It's probability. Okay. And now look at this. Okay. So now this is what we call confluence. Okay. Now check this out. So this is another concept I'm writing about in the new book. It's called the range expansion. Okay. Actually, let's pull it up right here, man. Let's pull it up right here. Okay. This is live TV. This is how we do it. Where's my book? There we go. Here we go, guys. Live TV. This is how we do it. Okay. Now check this out. Fibonacci. Look at this. I even have my fibs in here for you guys. All that. Fibonacci power entry, previous day range, and reversal trading, guys. Look at this. Okay, I wrote about it all here for you guys. And then check this out. Check this out. Hold up. Look at these charts. Beautiful. I'm telling you guys right now. Nobody's putting out that content that I do. Because I have the back testing behind it, and I put my ass on the line to bring you guys this content. Trust me. Okay, so now, we knew, right? We knew that this was the 0.169 extension. Now check this out. Now we can use the previous day's range like this, and we can pull it across. Now look at this. Look how beautiful this is now, okay? So we take the previous day's high and low, and we project that range. And look at this reversal right on the 0.618 extension. So this is how you use these extensions, guys. When we start breaking down the previous day's low, look at these extensions coming into play. Okay? Absolutely beautiful. So now check this out. We have many confluences on this trade. This is why this trade works so well. Why do you think, guys, look at this chart for 1 second with me. Look at this chart. Why does Uber go vertical from here? Why does Uber go vertical? Why does it go vertical? Look at this move. This is not a normal move, guys. Stocks don't go vertical like this, guys. Look at this is vertical. Let me pull this up. From the lows to the high, we went up 5% straight vertically. And I'm telling you guys why. So get the pen and the pad out, man. Get the pen and the pad out. We're doing a pen and pad alert right now. Get the pen and the pad out, okay? This is a concept that's very important. When we have multiple confluence, okay? When we have multiple confluences stacking on each other, that's when we have a level or an area of high probability. Now, high probability trades are the ones you want to take because look at how they pay. Okay, so check this out. So we had the morning leg 0.169 extension, which also lined up exactly with the 618 extension of the previous day's range. So we have now shorts from the 10th of September, shorts from today, all covering on these levels. And then we have the algo to the bull side coming in and buying that. That's not retail. Retail can't make a stock go up vertically 5%. These stocks have too much volume. All right. So there we go, guys. So that is what we call beauty, perfection. That's what we call the Mona Lisa. All right. So hit me with a 1 if your mind has been blown. Hit me with a 1. Hit me with a 1 if your mind has been blown. And guys, even look later, a little bit later in the day, look, inside bar, that one, nice little push, nice one here. This one, a failure, and then another one, nice little push. Beautiful. Love it. So let's continue. Nike. All right. So boom. So Nike, you can see here's the yellow trigger line, right? So Nike gap down below the line. Okay. So everyone always asks me, so what do you do when we gap above or below the trigger? So what's the answer, guys? For those of you that follow me, what do we do? What can we do if we gap out of the trigger? Boom. Hey, here we go. Manish right here, 20 bucks. Had my first 1K plus day thanks to you, Rich, you the man, Nike and Tesla. Thank you so much, brother. That makes my day. Tesla was a member's pick. We're going to talk about that one in a bit. But beautiful, man. Hey, man, I appreciate all of you guys donating. I'm trying to get the knowledge out here to the people that need it, the people that want to put in the work. And I appreciate you guys for showing me some love. Okay. So Orb, right? Orb is the easiest one. So here we go, first 5-minute bar. Okay, guess what? Well, we don't break the orb. Instead, we have an inside bar. And I'm telling you guys right now, it does not get any easier than that. Look at this, inside bar on the second bar. Let's go to the alerts. Nike inside bar right there, guys. Doesn't get easier than that. Look at this, boom. Take the breakout of the bar right here, stop loss right above the bar. Okay, I also have a few advanced stop loss strategies. I have some advanced stop loss strategies that I'm going to be sharing in my book. Okay, I'm not going to share it here because as soon as I share my shit, somebody else copies it and says it's theirs. So some of the stuff, I have to keep it in my book because the more I share, it seems like the more people take from me without giving me the credit. All right. So I have an advanced stop loss placement here. I'm only going to talk about it in the book. For the purpose of the video, we keep it simple. We break the level, we put the stop on the other side, or we can put the stop at the high of the day. So there we go, guys. Take that inside bar straight down. Nike was the big boy today. Nike gave us 175% at the peak. Okay, so obviously you're not going to get all of the peak, but if you can walk away with at least 100% return on Nike, you did a good job. It's beautiful. 100%, guys, in one day. That's beautiful. All right. So there we go. So we have this inside bar. Okay, you missed that one. No problem. You could take this one, right? This one's a little scalp. You have to always understand, right, guys? When you're lower into the move, you got to be more satisfied with the scalp. You can't expect that you're going to have huge runs. Okay. But if you're taking it back up here at the top, first few bars of the day, you can look for those bigger plays. And then just to add a little bit here, guys. Okay. This pattern right here, we'll talk about that another day. But anyways, so here we go, Fibonacci from the high to the low. Okay, look at this, guys. So we have the first leg down. We pull back to the 382. And then we trade all the way down to the extension, the 50%. Beautiful. See this one? Measured move. Okay, very, very clean. A lot of algorithms trading today. Had that push down, pull back to 382, trade to the 50 extension. Okay, so this pattern right here is a very important pattern. And that's all I'm going to say for now. It's going to be released in my book. All right, so there we go. So that's Nike. I mean, very clean. Orb, inside bar right there. Boom, boom, boom. Inside here. Come back. You got the fib right there. Beautiful. I mean, pretty clean. So hit me with a 1 if you guys are following me there on Nike. Are you good to go with that? And we'll move on. Does your book go over swing trading? Yes, it does, brother. Goes over everything, every single thing. I try to make, when I put out stuff, it has to be good. I could put it out right now. I could put the book out right now, but I want to proofread and I want to go back and make sure it has everything. Boom, boom, boom. $1.99 from my brother J Lam right here. Let's check this super sticker out. Thanks. Appreciate that. Thank you, brother. Let's keep the party rolling. So boom. McDonald's. Okay. So I said McDonald's is a failed trade, but actually it's a winning trade. I'm saying it's a failed trade because anytime I go on Twitter and I post all 4 winners, I get attacked by the social community because they just hate on me. They just don't think that it's possible, but it is possible if you work your ass off like I do. It is. If you have the data, if you study, if you put in the work, it's possible to be 4 for 4 on the day. So, sometimes I kind of, I don't post all the winners because I just don't want to. I'm just tired of having to deal with trolls. I really am. But anyways, let's keep going. So McDonald's, right off the bat, guys, we have the inside bar from the previous day. We don't have a trigger right off the open. Okay, we don't, but we have the orb. Right? So we have the orb, first 5-minute bar. That's the orb. A little scalp, not too much of it, but this was the play that was the beauty of the day, that inside bar right there. Okay? Look at that. Beautiful inside bar, guys. Does not get any better than that. And something that's really important about this inside bar, I'm going to show you right now. Okay? Beautiful. This is why that inside bar was on my list of beautiful picks. Check this out. This inside bar, guys, is sitting on the previous day's range, the 0.618. Okay, it's sitting on that. You see the algos here? Look at this algo. It's eating. Watch this algo. Okay, look at the wicks. I'll go buy, I'll go buy, I'll go buy, I'll go buy, I'll go buy. And we had the inside bar to give us a nice defined entry. And then check this out. Once we take this inside bar, we take the extension of the previous day, guys, and look at this, 0.169 extension. And then we reverse. Absolutely beautiful. So let's just check out the alerts, make sure McDonald's came through right there, McDonald's inside bar. So I really liked it. Most people on Twitter will not understand these plays. Only the people that come to the YouTube and sit down and study with me and listen and learn and execute will understand what I'm talking about for this play. Okay, trigger trading, taking the break above a level, below a level is just one way to trade. It's just one way of the drill down method. It's only one way. Okay, there's multiple ways. Actually, let's read that. Let's pull this up. Okay, let's read this together. So pen and pad alert right now. I want, this is important. This is what I do. This is what Trading Wars is. Okay, so with the Trading Wars patterns, we set the stage. We identify instruments and tickers that are likely to break out of their previous period high/low. However, that's not enough. We need to find a way. So I guess, see, look, this is what we do, proofreading right there. We need to find a way to actually enter and execute trades. This is why I created the drill down method. So the drill down method means going to a lower time frame from your precondition and finding a low risk, high reward entry. The drill down method consists of the following. Okay, the opening range breakout. That's one of our entries. The 3, the 5, and the 15 are my preferred time frames. Okay, fractal entries or as above, so below trades. This is Trading Wars patterns on a lower time frame. And then we have the Fibonacci power entries, previous day's range. Okay, range expansion reversal trading. Morning and afternoon Fibonacci legs. And this one is from the original book, The Golden Partnership, Fibonacci and Automated Trading. And the last one is the trigger or breakout trading. You see that? This is what we do. This, guys, the trigger method, the breakout method is one way. Okay? And when you get really good, read what I wrote here. When you first start trading the drill down method, I suggest you focus on each of these setups one at a time and to trade each of them for a minimum of 100 trades to fully master them. You can do this through simulation trading, backtesting, or risking small size. It's critical to understand that these setups give us an edge, but are never 100% accurate. Thus, we must focus on proper risk management and position sizing to protect our capital. So now, let me show you guys something. Okay, I know there's typos all over the place, guys. I still got to proofread it. But now, let me show you guys something, okay? So when a trade is working really well, so let's go as an example. Let's use this one, okay? So McDonald's. So we can start off, hit the previous day's range. All right, we identify the algos here. Boom, 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 boom. Start adding on that position. We can add a little bit more on that inside bar breakout. And then, guys, what we can do when we add on that inside bar breakup, we can draw the morning Fibonacci leg, which is right here. We can add a little bit more on that 618 and add a little bit more on that inside bar. And then we can cover everything at the previous day's extension, like I just showed you. Or once we get to that previous day extension and we start covering, we could even take all of the gains we made on the calls and put a little bit, maybe 20% of those gains, and we can try the puts. Okay? That is advanced. That's professional. That is something that you're going to get to at some point in your career. But that's real trading right there, guys. When you have a trade, okay, when you have a trade that's winning and it's performing well, you can add more to that position because you're just risking paper profits, right? And then now all of a sudden, when McDonald's works and it breaks out of the range and I get the extension, I'm making a lot of money because I'm adding along the way with valid setups. And then once I lock in my money, I can try the other way because I know the puts are also a great way. Okay, so guys, like this chart right here, I post on Twitter, it says a loser, but really and truly, if you follow my work, you understand that this is actually a beautiful chart. Okay, so hit me with a 4 if you guys like that. Hit me with a 4 if you guys understand McDonald's and all that. Hit me with a 4. Thank you, guys. I see a lot of you are saying your explanations are fantastic. The way you communicate is fantastic. I'm going to tell you guys why. The reason why I'm able to explain this to you guys in such a concise manner is because of this. I actually trade it. I traded every day using my money. For the last 7 years, I've been trading, risking my own money. I'm not here to market anything to you guys. I'm not reading books that are 50 years old and drawing lines like this, guys. I'm not doing this to you guys. Look at this. Hold on a second. Guys, I'm not doing that to you guys. I am a real trader. I risk my money every single day. That's how I understand it, because I'm actually doing it. Right? Like, there's no value for me showing you this stuff. All right. I don't even want to get started on that. Okay. Oracle. So Oracle was a beautiful trade. So right off the bat, guys, what do we have here with Oracle? We had an opening range breakout, and that opening range breakout, guys, paid, right there. Boom. That's 1-to-1. So that's some good money on the opening range breakout. And as you can see, guys, the trigger is up here, and we never tagged the trigger. So that's why my triggers are in specific place. Okay. My triggers are in specific places because I need that to trigger in order for me to get those breakouts. So we don't trigger to the upside. We have the orb, nice scalp, that's fine. But then the real action starts coming in on Oracle. We got that reversal right here, and then check this out. Just a clean flush through the trigger, right? Clean flush through the trigger. I mean, it's just candle after candle, beautiful. And Oracle was one of those names that had earnings, right? So that's kind of a little bit why you see the price action is a little bit crazy. But that being said, it doesn't matter if the price action is crazy, because your job is to make money, right? As long as you risk your size properly and do exactly what you need to do, take your setups, risk small, move on. Okay, boom, Tesla. So Tesla was a members bonus pick. Okay, so let me just show this. So the members bonus picks for yesterday was Hood and Tesla. So I like Tesla on the previous day's close. You could see this. So the Friday close on Tesla was an inside bar followed by an outside bar. So I was looking at, with that pattern there, guys, I knew something was going to happen on Tesla today. It was likely, right? And right off the bat, guys, this is what we had. So the first 930 bar right there, guys, boom, clean opening range breakout. Doesn't get any better than that, right? Beautiful. First 5-minute bar, take the opening range breakout. Good move. So here's your 2 legs. Here's your first push down. Here's a little pullback. You see with that wick. And then we come down, second leg. That's where you want to be getting out. And then check this out. Right at the bottom of the range, right at the bottom where that leg is, guys. Look at this. Inside bar, calling your name. Right? So very, very fair trade. Orb, trigger. If you want to play the reversal, you got that inside bar right down there, guys. You take a chance here. Like, the calls are going to be cheap down here, guys. You're taking a chance. Okay? Good risk to reward. Take that back into the close. You're laughing all day. You're laughing straight to the bank. Beautiful. And let's just go ahead and check the bot. Make sure the bot did its job, or I'm going to have to fire the bot. You know, there we go. Tesla inside bar. Tesla inside bar. Good. So the bot can get fired, guys. It doesn't do a good job. And then the last one here was Hood. Hood was just a really tight inside bar that I wanted to play. And you can see right here, guys, first bar is actually right here. This is the 930 bar and another opening range breakout winner. So right here, here's your first bar, entry below the low, boom, stop at the high of the day. If you miss that, guess what? You have the trigger. If you miss that, guess what? You have another inside bar. Beautiful. And then again, look at this again. I'm going to keep drilling this into your head, guys. Look at that. Boom, pull back. Second leg down, we're done. See that? Always. And the 2 legs are always going to be a Fibonacci. It's always going to be a Fibonacci. Look at this. See? Push down, pull back to the 50 exactly. Okay, let me draw this a little better. Pull back to the 50 exactly, and then we roll over. Okay, hit the targets on the way down. That's where we see the reversal. Boom. All right, guys. I mean, pretty clean day. I mean, another blessed day, another great day to be alive. I mean, the market has been fair. There's going to be days where we're going to get beat up, and we have to accept that. That's a part of the game. But just beautiful. Very great plays. And tomorrow we have Apple, MU, Peloton, Bank of America, and I have a few more picks in the Discord for the bonus picks for the members. But otherwise than that, very, very good day. I hope you guys made some money. I really, really do hope you made some money, guys, because the more you make money, the more it looks good on me, to be honest. If I'm your teacher, right? If I'm your teacher, if you're making money, then that means you learned something good. All right. So there we go, guys. Those are the picks. Hit me with the 3 if you're good, if you enjoyed that. You know, I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna try to be live every single day until the book is released on Sunday. I'm really, really pushing for it, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. Take a little bit of a break and just relax a little bit because I've been going hard for a long time. I'm telling you, I've been going hard. So I just want to make that big push and just kill it. Okay. Otherwise than that, I'm gonna put little bro here on the stream to go ahead and say a few things in case I miss anything. Did I miss anything?
Yeah, I'll just say a little bit because I have one short message that I just want to tell everybody. And this message, guys, I want you to spread to whomever is going to purchase the book, either the first one or the second one. Spread this message. Tell it to your friend, tell it to your dog, tell it to whomever. If you're trying to purchase a book, please go to tradingwars.com. That is the only place you can purchase the book. And also don't forget, we have the giveaway coming up for the 10 books for you guys, so sign up for that. But again, guys, tradingwars.com is the only place you can buy the books. Everywhere else that are selling it is stolen. So spread that message to everybody. Spread it to whomever is trying to buy the book. And yeah, good night, guys. Thank you so much. Good information today, Rich. The picks today were pretty nice. I liked it a lot.
Thank you. Yeah, guys, that's a big point there by Lil Bro. You know, buy the book from tradingwars.com, guys. I keep telling you guys, people are copying me. Why are people copying me? Why? People are copying me because they know I'm really adding value to the world, that I'm really helping people. People are literally trying to sell my shit. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to crack down. We got the lawyers. We're going to do everything, copyright, all that. We're going to crack down. But one thing is from my book, guys, when you purchase my books, any one of my books, you get 1 month for free in my room. And that's what you're not going to get if you buy it from some bootleg person. They're not going to be able to give you access to the Discord and to the private Twitter where all of this shit goes down. Okay? So make sure you grab it from my website, tradingwars.com, right here. And you're going to get access to the room and all that. My wife has really helped me a lot, and I appreciate her dearly. She's created this form thing where you guys can just sign up here, Trading Wars VIP, once you purchase, either once you subscribe to the room or once you purchase the book. You just sign up here, guys. Name, Twitter handle, Discord ID, payment, transaction ID, and I'm going to get you in right away. And I'm going to get you guys into the room and everything right away. So appreciate you guys. What else did I want to say? I want to say, let's hang out for a little bit here. Guys, hit me with a 4 if you guys are excited for the book. Hit me with a 4. You guys know how you know, from the beginning of the year, people have been asking me about it, and I'm finally bringing it out. So hit me with a 4 if you guys are excited. And then I'm going to talk about a few other things. So the other thing is this. Yesterday, we had a brother that commented on the YouTube video. Let me pull him up, and I gave him 1 month for free, and I gave him a copy of my book. Okay, let me pull it up. I just want to show you guys that I look at every single comment. I look at it. I might not like it. I might not reply because I don't have the time, but I look at every single comment. I know the people that are supporting me, and I know the people that aren't, right? So check this out right here. I'm just going to pull this up right here. I'm going to bring it over here. Look, this brother right here, Clarence, where is he at? This guy right here. He commented right on the video, and I seen him a few times commenting in the chat, liking my stuff. I gave him the book 1 month for free. Okay, so do me a favor and please, like, we're starting to pick up heat here. Look at this video from yesterday, almost 3,000 views. We're trying to pick up some steam here, guys. 8.3 thousand subscribers. We can go viral. Like, we can go to the moon with this, guys, because what I'm teaching is honest, with integrity, helping people. And eventually that is going to break through all the toxicity. Okay. So keep liking, guys, keep commenting, keep doing your part. We're going to go straight up, guys, straight up. And I'm going to give back to you guys. So those that are supporting me, guys, you guys are going to be like I said, I'm watching who's supporting me. You guys, I'm going to get you guys free books. I'm going to get you guys everything. I promise. Okay. Those that are willing to take care of me, I will take care of you. I promise you that. All right. So there we go, guys. Beautiful. Thank you very much for your time. I think I covered everything that I wanted to. The countdown is real. Okay. Sunday, it's going down. Okay. Sunday, it's going down. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you guys. I hope you learned something there. What I wanted to recap about trading in a downtrend. Trading in a downtrend, guys, the 2 legs. That's what I was trying to focus on. 2 legs. Take the Fibonacci. Okay. Take the Fibonacci, stack the Fibonacci, and then use those extensions for your leg. And that's the sweet spot. That's the sweet spot where you want to be. All right. Okay. Thank you for your time. I'm out. Take care.